Hello to wonderful people of the internet. It is I, the Tactical Man-Child, and I am here to bring to you an all-American automatic knife. But it is not any regular automatic knife. It is a buck knife. This baby here is based off the model 110, and I bought it from Knife Center for about $149. USA made, every single part. With this model here, this thing is made with ebony wood handles. It comes with a very nice leather case or sheath, as you would like to call it. It's got a nice belt loop here, and yet again, just to drive the point home, USA made, baby. Got a very good solid button clasp here. It's sturdy, it's strong, maintains its shape, and it definitely keeps this baby snug inside. Here's the ebony. And as you can see, it's smooth and it's shiny all throughout from end to end. This bar here is not the tang, but rather more so the locking mechanism that helps you unlock the blade after you open it up and want to close it. Anyways, enough goofing around. Let's pop this baby open. Pretty quick, and has a hard kick to it. Now, it's just like any other regular buck knife. It's just that, it has a very strong spring and a button to release the blade. The big difference, obviously, is legality. You can't, if you live in a notoriously blue state like, New York or California, this baby is out of question. You cannot carry this or have this on your body for self-defense. You can own it, but that be the extent of it as a civilian. Now, if you were in law enforcement or the military, there can be exceptions made here. Anyways, here is the locking mechanism, so let me show you. So, as you can see, there's that tiny little seam here as to where it locks together. It's smooth, it runs well, no bumping, no protrusion of any sort, all smooth and running here. So, I push down on this, it lifts that up, and then it proceeds to go all the way down. It has a very strong spring, it fights, but that's a good thing. That just means that when you open it up, it'll kick all the way open. Unlike some automatic knives with poor quality, they will, you just open them up the wrong way, it's facing down the wrong way, facing up the wrong way, and it'll just stall, and the blade will fly out, but it won't lock into place, and then you have to do a little small rinky-dinky, flick of the wrist. Now, obviously, you just heard it lock into place on the closing position. What locks it into place once you close it is the button, and let me open this baby again for y'all. If you look up close here, you'll see that little small hole. That hole there is what locks it into place when you're closing it. And let me just demonstrate again. Press down, bring her down, and you'll hear it. Now, in regards to the blade itself, obviously buck knives have been known for being very good EDC knives, wildland knives, and just a good hunting knife overall. For skinning, cutting, and just woodwork, whittling. It's all there. The thing is just with this one, it just comes, it's automatic. And it comes with a good kick here. On top of that, this thing is very, very sharp. Let me see if I can find something here. There's very little fight to it. It just runs straight right on through. Let me just show y'all. You barely even have to try. You just go straight right through it like nothing. Razor sharp. Definitely something you would want on you for either self-defense or, whittling down some wood or skinning an animal. Definitely something you would like. If you're one of those perfectionists that really likes to keep and maintain their knives, it would be wise to have a nice good clean rag. A nice good clean rag. You don't need rag, but like like one of those fiber rags that like really polishes it, and you just wipe it down. It'll be good to go. Obviously, it's really fancy looking. It doesn't want to give you the impression of wanting to put it through the ringer, but it can definitely go through the ringer, as with most buck knives. And if you do put it through the ringer and it just doesn't match up to what you want, or it busts on you, it can be noted that buck knives have a forever warranty on all of their knives. And that's a promise from the founder of Buck Knives. Anyways, this is Tactical Manchild here. This is just a brief overview over the automatic buck knife. I will be going over some more automatic knives as time goes on and other things, but aside from that, I may also do a couple tactical gear videos as well, and maybe a couple of packing videos when the time comes. Aside from that, this is the Tactical Manchild signing out.